won't be able to pull in my house.
Getting down there is going to be a pain.
No, don't say that.
Around when we hold it down, look at what we found. Fuck what they was talking about.
What up, G? Today's been a day. It's been an interesting day. Traffic out here in Phoenix is crazy. People driving crazy. People acting crazy. Guess it's just another typical day in Phoenix. Stick around, stay tuned. Let's find out. How's it going?
Very good.
What's going on?
My water pump gasket blew.
Oh, no. Is it four-wheel, all-wheel drive, or just two?
It's just two-wheel drive.
Oh, okay, cool. Getting down there is going to be a pain.
Yeah, I just came from there and I saw all the traffic.
Yeah, there's a fatal collision out there. So
on the 10? Yeah.
Yeah,
I saw everybody coming on rig. The other thing, too, is probably with your rig, you won't be able to pull in my house because I live off a dirt road.
Oh, okay. Pull it up in that fire lane right there.
Okay.
Because of how heavy this vehicle is, this Yukon XL, it's a pretty big vehicle, which means it's got some decent weight to it. With my tow truck being a single cab with a shorter wheelbase, means that I have to be more cautious when I pick up heavy stuff to make sure that I still have decent contact on my front steer axle, right? So the further out you extend the underreach, means that's the less contact that's on the front end. So the more this underreach comes in, means that's the more weight that's going to go on the front of the truck, right? On the steer axle. The further this underreach sticks out this way, means that's more weight that's on my drive axle back here, which reduces the amount of weight that's on my steers. You want to make sure that you have enough weight on your steers to make sure that you can stop and turn. I could suck this in more so I could put more weight on my steers. However, I want to make sure that there is enough room between the vehicle and my truck. So when I make turns, these two do not make contact with each other. We don't want to do that. That's a failure. The next thing that we're going to do is just drive slowly, carefully, cautiously, and increase our following distance because we're probably going to need more braking distance. That's pretty much it.
The only problem is just the traffic getting here.
Yeah, man, it took forever to get out here.
When I first moved out here, traffic wasn't that bad.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. What's going on with it?
I do not know. All the lights came on and then it stopped.
Oh, okay. Did a battery light come on?
The battery light and a whole bunch of other lights.
Chances are your alternator probably went out on you.
No, don't say that.
Yeah.
Didn't I tell you to go get it tested?
And you mind if I open your hood
Okay.
and take a look at it? Because the smell I'm getting, it might not be the alternator. It could be a belt. You have no coolant.
Again?
Yeah, the coolant, that reservoir is empty.
Yeah. So I might have coolant in there. Because I just filled it up
How long ago did you put coolant in there?
Monday.
Monday.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it shouldn't be.
Because it was overheating on Sunday.
Because all that stuff, it's all ran off of the same belt. So if one of the pulleys stopped working, then everything stops working.